Hey friends, imagine this. You're walking down the street, you meet someone new, and suddenly, you freeze because you don't know the right English sentence to say. Or maybe you're in a cafe, the waiter asks you something in English, and you just smile, awkwardly. We've all been there, right? But today, that ends, because in this episode, I'm going to share with you 50 must-know English sentences for everyday conversations. These are practical, these are simple, and these are powerful. They will help you speak fluently, naturally, and confidently. So if you've been searching for the secret to confident English speaking, stay with me, because this episode is just for you. Welcome, my friends, to today's English podcast. Here, we focus on real, natural conversations that you can actually use in daily life. No boring textbook lines, no complicated grammar drills, just real sentences. Sentences that make you sound fluent, confident, and connected. By the end of this episode, you won't just know these sentences, you'll be ready to use them instantly. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Basic daily greetings. Let's start with greetings. These are the first step in any conversation. Hey, how's it going? Good morning. Did you sleep well? Long time no see. How have you been? Nice to meet you. I've heard a lot about you. What's up? Everything okay? Greetings are not just words. They set the tone. They open the door. They build the bridge. Everyday polite expressions. Next, let's move to politeness, because politeness is powerful. Excuse me, could you help me? I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Sorry for the trouble. I didn't mean to bother you. That's very kind of you. Could you please say that again? These sentences show respect, and when you respect people, they respect you back. Daily activities. Now, let's add some sentences from daily life. I'm on my way. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Let's grab a coffee sometime. Do you want to hang out this weekend? I'm just relaxing at home right now. Let's keep in touch. Simple, natural, and easy to use every single day. Asking questions in daily life. Remember, questions keep conversations alive. What do you usually do on weekends? Can you recommend a good restaurant nearby? What's the best way to get there? How do you usually spend your free time? Do you mind if I join you? Questions show interest, and when you show interest, people love to talk to you. Talking about feelings and opinions. Now, let's talk about feelings, because real conversations need emotions. I'm really excited about this. I'm not sure, but I'll try my best. That sounds like a great idea. I completely agree with you. I see what you mean, but I have a different opinion. Honestly, I don't feel comfortable with that. That makes me really happy. I'm feeling a bit tired today. See, feelings make your English alive. Opinions make your English real. Work and study conversations. We spend so much of our lives working and learning. So, let's master some professional sentences. Could you send me the details by email? Let's schedule a meeting for tomorrow. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Sorry, I was on mute. Do you have a minute to discuss this? I really learned a lot from today's session. Let's work together to solve this problem. These sentences show you're confident without being complicated. Engagement reminder. By the way, if you're enjoying this and finding it useful, that's amazing. But remember this, fluency doesn't come from memorizing thousands of words. It comes from mastering a few hundred powerful sentences. Sentences you can use anytime, anywhere. That's the real secret, and that's exactly what we're practicing here today.
Social and friendly conversations. Now, let's make our English more social, more friendly. That's awesome! Tell me more about it. You look great today. It was really nice talking to you. Let's catch up soon. Do you want to go for a walk? I totally get what you're saying. That must be really hard for you. Don't worry, everything will be fine. That was really funny. You made my day. Let's celebrate this achievement together. These are not just sentences. They are connections. They are bridges to stronger relationships. Travel and shopping. And now, sentences that are lifesavers when you're out traveling or shopping. How much does this cost? Do you have this in a different size or color? Where can I find a taxi or bus stop nearby? Could you please take a picture of me? I'm looking for a good place to eat around here. Practical, easy, and super helpful. Mini conversations. Let's put these into action with short examples. At a cafe. Good morning. Can I get a cup of coffee, please? Of course. Do you want it with milk? Yes, please, and thank you so much. Meeting a friend. Hey, long time no see. How you been? I've been good, just busy with work. What about you? Same here. Let's catch up this weekend. Shopping. Excuse me, how much does this shirt cost? It's $25. Do you have it in a larger size? See how natural these sound? That's the fluency you're building, step by step. And that's it! 50 must-know English sentences for everyday conversations. If you practice these regularly, speaking English will become easier, smoother, more natural every single day. Remember this: fluency is not about big, fancy words. It's about confidence. It's about connection. It's about communication. So here's your challenge. Pick 5 of these sentences and use them today. With your friends. At work. With anyone. The more you practice, the faster you'll grow. And if this podcast helped you, if it inspired you, do me a favor. Like this video, share it with someone who wants to learn, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode. Thank you so much for listening. Until next time, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing. Bye for now.